te motu e hare mai, hare mai, hare mai ra e.
Really looking forward to it. I think it will be a unique experience for many of our students who've come from overseas. This will be their first taste of genuine Indigenous cultural elements, the things that they need to know about while they're here in New Zealand.
I'm excited. I also feel like it's an honour to be able to have the experience. It'll start conversations, it will bring people together to talk more, so it'll strengthen the group.
We are a beautiful people. We are dynamic people. We are people that love to connect with peoples from all around the world and welcome them here in Aotearoa, and then once they're welcomed here, to treat them as our brothers and sisters. By bringing our manuhiri, our visitors to the Marae today, they're going to experience the real world of the Māori.
Te harateke, te kōrari, nā taonga whakarere iho. This taonga that has been given us from our heavens, from our atua, o te rangi, from the sky, o te whenua that grows in our lands, o ngā tupuna from our ancestors, hei oranga mō mātou for everybody, ti hei mauri ora with the breath of life.
Did you want another one?
So if you come around here and you just pull that bit, it should come all the way.
And the reason is to exercise your wrists, but it also makes beautiful beats. Thank you guys. We did it.
It's been an extraordinary day and we've learnt an awful lot. So it's a very special gift that you've all given us. So thank you.
The weaving of everything together, so the literal weaving, but also the weaving of all the strings, particularly yours sort of solidified it around the well-being. And it just was so holistic and so beautiful, and it's a lovely way to articulate it, so thank you.
It's about leading by example, it's about role modelling, and it's about being yourself and ensuring that we always put our best foot forward in terms of our culture, our language, our whakapapa, and our people.